Hello, it's Chinaranu here, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you addition of algebraic fraction. I'm really going to be making it simple using step-by-step approach. So without further ado, let's start learning. You're welcome to class. So in adding algebraic fractions, here's how you go about it. Let's take a look at this example. Okay, the first thing you do is to find the LCM. All right, so what you do, just pick this and pick this since they are different terms. So we are going to have x plus 1 and x plus 5 as our LCM. All right, now that you've gotten the LCM, we are going to say x plus 1 and x plus 5 divided by what? X plus 1. Okay, once you do that, this is going to cancel out. Okay, this is it, x plus 1, x plus 5 divided by this, x plus 1. So this is going to go here 1, this is going to go here 1. So we are left with x plus 5. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to say 2 times what? X plus 5. Then we close the bracket, all right? Then the next thing we do here, we are going to repeat the same thing for this one. We are going to have x plus 1, x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. This goes here 1, this goes here 1. So we are going to be left with x plus 1. So we are going to say plus 3 times what? X plus 1. You close the bracket. Now we've gotten to this stage. The next thing we do is to open up the bracket. So we are going to have 2 times x gives us 2x. Then we have 2 times 5 gives us plus 10. Then we have 3 times x gives us plus 3x. And then we have plus 3 times plus 1 plus 3 over, you have x plus 1 and we have x plus 5. So what we do here, we collect the like terms. In collecting the like terms, we are going to have 2x plus 3x plus 10 plus 3. So we are now going to have 5x plus 10 plus 3 gives 13. Now we've gotten this, we are going to have 5x plus 13 over, then we have x plus 1 and x plus 5. So this is our answer. So let's look at another example for clarity. So how do we handle something like this? If you take a look at this question, our denominator is x minus y. Then here we have 1, okay? So our LCM is simply x minus y. So we say x minus y divided by x minus y. We have 1. 1 times 2x gives us 2x. Then by the time we say x minus y divided by 1, it gives us x minus 1, all right? So we are going to have plus 3 times x minus y. So we are going to have 2x, then we open up the bracket, plus 3 times x gives us plus 3x. Then we are going to have plus 3 times minus y gives us minus 3y over x minus y. So the next thing we do, let's add this up. We are going to have 2x plus 3x. We have 5x minus 3y over x minus y. So we are going to ask ourselves, can we factorize this further? No, there is no common factor here. So we leave our answer like this. We are going to have 5x minus 3y over x minus y. So that's our answer. So let's take a look at something quite complex. So let's take a look at this example. In this situation, you can notice that the denominators have square. How do we handle a question like this? How do we find the LCM? Now, here's what we are going to do. We're going to have 4x minus 9y, all right? In this place, we need to make this look like this, okay? And we do that by applying the difference of 2 square. In applying the difference of 2 square, you're simply going to have this 4x minus 3y, and you're going to have 4x plus 3y. So you can see the two are now on the same terms. It becomes easy to solve. So we are going to have plus 1 over 4x minus 3y. So we can now find the LCM. In finding the LCM of these, you simply choose the negative one and the positive one as the LCM, since you have the same thing here. So in doing that, our LCM is going to be 4x minus 3y, and we have 4x plus 3y. So we're going to have this cancels this divided by this, we have 1, divided by this, we have 1, this divided by this, we have 1. Okay, so we are left with 1. 1 times 4x minus 9y. We have 4x minus 9y. So let's look at this one. In this one, we are going to have 4x minus 3y dividing this one. This is going to cancel out. So we are left with 4x plus 3y. So 4x plus 3y times 1, we are going to have plus what? 4x plus 3y. So we have this. So the next thing we do, let's collect like terms by the at the numerator. We are going to have 4x plus 4x minus 9y plus 3y over the denominator. So we have 4x plus 4x gives us 8x, and then we have minus 9y plus 3y gives us minus 6y over the denominator. So now we've gotten to this stage. The next thing we are going to look at, we look at the numerator. Can we further factorize it? Oh yes, we can. So we can use, it has common factors. And the common factor here is 2. So we are going to say 8x divided by 2 is going to give us 4x. And then we are going to say minus 6y divided by 2 is going to give us minus 3y. So we're going to have over the denominator 4x minus 3y, you close the bracket, and you have 4x plus 3y, you close the bracket. So let's look at this question. You can see that this can be divided by this. So this divided by this, you have 1. This divided by this, you have 1. So we are going to have 2 times 1, it gives us 2 over 4x plus 3y. So you can see how it is. It's absolutely easy. So this is it on solving addition of algebraic fraction. If you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up. Would you love to see more videos like this? Hit the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload content like this. And don't you ever forget, math can be easy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.